Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show you what inside a portable vacuum cleaner and how to replace the battery of a portable vacuum cleaner. So let's see what inside it and how to open it. First of all, open the top part of the vacuum cleaner. Then remove all the screws and then remove the top part. So friend, you can see there are only three components: a battery, a circuit board and a motor with blades. So the battery part is not working. Hopefully, let's check, and you can see that the battery is almost dead. So you have to replace this battery with a new one. So I have already replaced the battery with new one. So you can see it is now working fine. So friend, I think all of you have liked this video, so please subscribe S&D Innovations.